Hello everyone, now we'll solve the next problem. In this problem, they're asking us to verify the given points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle property you know already. When the triangles, two sides are equal, then this triangle used to call the isosceles triangle. We can name these vertices are A, B, C. So these points are A point and B point and C point. And B is nothing but 1, 6, minus 6, 4, 9, minus 6. But here, exactly we don't know which one is equal. AB is equal to AC or AC equal to BC. We don't know. We have to find it out. So here what we have to prove is any two sides should be equal. That means the distance between any two vertices are equal. If it is equal, we can say that is a isosceles triangle. We'll do it, students. Okay. Now, we'll find the distance between AB point first. Okay. The square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square plus z2 minus z1 the whole square. So here this is 3D geometry. That's why we have taken the third point, third axis also, that is z axis, to find the distance. Okay. Now, we are going to take AB points. When you take AB, this will take it as x1, y1, z1, and this will take it as x2, y2 and z2. So, we will substitute in the formula the values. x2 is nothing but 1 minus x1 is nothing but 0, the whole square, plus y2. y2 is nothing but 6 minus y1 is nothing but 7, the whole square, plus z2 nothing but minus 6 minus z1 is nothing but minus 10. Here this minus is formula minus, here this minus is nothing but the value minus, the whole square. Now, square root of 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 square, plus 6 minus 7 is nothing but minus 1, the whole square, plus here minus into minus become plus. So, minus 6 plus 10, the whole square will get. So, square root of 1 square is 1 plus, when you square the negative sign, it will become a positive. Okay. So, here positive 1 will get. Here minus 6 plus 10 is there. When you have a different sign, we have to subtract it. The huge number sign is plus. So, we will get 4. 4 square is nothing but 16. So, we will get the answer 16, 17, 18. So, square root of 18 is the distance between AB point. So, AB equal to 9, 2s are 18. So, 9 we can take it from the square root. So, we will get 3 root 2 is the answer. So, that is the distance between AB. So, AB is nothing but 3 root 2. So, now we will find the distance between BC point. Okay, now AB is 4, BC will find it out. Okay. So, here the same formula we are going to substitute. Now, we will take B is x1, y1, z1 and C is x2, y2 and z2 points. Okay. So, we will substitute the same formula. x2 minus x1, x2 is 4 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 is 9 minus 6 the whole square plus z2 is minus 6, z1 is minus 6 again, minus 6. This is formula minus, this is value minus, the whole square. So, now we will get square root of 4 minus 1 is 3 square plus 9 minus 6 is 3 square plus minus into minus plus will become, so minus 6 plus 6 is 0 square. So, we will get 3 3s are 9 plus 3 3s are 9, we will get root of 18. Okay. So, BC we can write root 18, we can write 9 into 2, 9 2s are 18. So, here this 9 we can take it outside, it comes out as a 3, root 2 is the answer for BC. BC is 3 root 2. So, now we have to find AC. AC. So, square root of same formula we are going to use it. Here AC, this will become x1, y1, z1 point and this will become x2, y2, z2. So, now x2 minus x1 the whole square, x2 is 4, 4 minus 0 the whole square, 4 minus 0 the whole square plus 9 minus 7 the whole square 9 minus 7 the whole square. Y means y2 minus y1 the whole square. Next z2 minus z1. z2 is minus 6 and z1 is minus 10. So plus minus 6 minus minus 10 the whole square. This is formula minus and this is the value minus. So square root of 4 square plus 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 square plus minus 6. Minus into minus become plus 10 the whole square. So we'll get square root of 4 square is 16. 2 square is 4 plus minus 6 plus 10 is nothing but plus 4. Plus 4 whole square is nothing but 16. So here we'll total it. 16 plus 4 is 20. So we'll get 36. Square root of 36. So AC value is nothing but 6. So 36 is nothing but 6. 6 are 36. So we'll get an answer as 6. 6. So distance between AB is 3 root 2. Distance between BC is 3 root 2. Distance between AC is 6. Here these two are the equal values, not this. Okay now. So what we are concluding from this? AB which is equal to BC. Distance between AB is 3 root 2 equal to distance between BC is 3 root 2. But AC if you take, that is 6, that is different. So here two values are same. So what we are concluding here is AB, the distance between AB is 3 root 2 and the distance between BC is 3 root 2. Both are equal. So the given points are the vertices of the isosceles triangle. So we are verified it. So understood student, if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you.